Hello everyone, this is Farabi. So I'm going to share some details about Your Bangla Trims and Accessories Limited, a concern of Your Bangla Group, established in the year 2008 with a view to provide backward-linked support to the country's bustling export-oriented garments industries. The facilities is equipped with state-of-the-art and machineries and are backed up with efficient human resource. So there are two types of trims and accessories items. The first one is offset level and printed items. These are hang tag, card level, barcode level, sticker, box and photo inlay backboard. And the other one plastic items and narrow fabric. So these are stream lock, plastic stopper, hanger lock, zipper puller, rubber badge and hang tag cords. So we are following systems, customer support and satisfaction. Always expand with the boundaries by looking for a new opportunity. Maintain business discipline by looking for new opportunity and keeping strategic focus and working with the business model. Our buyers, bestseller Walmart product, Diesel, Russell, Amazon and Identity. Besides this, we have also a leather company which is called Your Bangla Leather House Limited, a concern of Your Bangla Group, established in the year 2008. Your Bangla Leather House Limited is a leather goods, especially bags, ladies bags, backpack, wallet and card holder and other accessories and manufacturing company based in Bangladesh. The main object of Your Bangla Leather House Limited is to benefit from the sceneries of its partners to order and offers custom-made and high-standard product to ensure and create trust, confidence for our partner. Our relationship between our valuable client is first and foremost a confidence matter based on strict transparency. We will do everything in our power to keep the customer information, product specification, design secret, and we ensure that we will not use the same design to the other customers, and also we can make an agreement. Our advantage: designing as per buyer requirement, pattern making, sample making, approval and 100% satisfaction, production, quality in specification, packaging, logistic and on-time shipment. We have three types of capacity in per month. The first one is different types of ladies bag, quantity level 5,000, and the other one is different types of purses, quantity level 60,000, and the last one is different types of wallet and card holder and quantity level almost 1 lakh. We have some specialties too: best quality and consideration and advance in style. We are not cheap but our price competitive. The most professional design associate and advanced R&D department. Usually our targeting countries: China, Canada, Japan, Australia, India, Thailand and USA. We have three types of products item. The first one, women's bag, and these are tote bag, crossbody big bag, ladies wallet, sling small crossbody, and the other one is crossbody tote bag. And the other product is men's bag collection: laptop bag, backpack, messenger bag, duffel bag, waist bag and wallet. And we have the last product collection is small leather goods like key holder, sunglass case, card holder and men's belt collection. Besides, we have gents jacket, women's jacket, long overcoat, shoes, leather shoes and high boot collections. So it's a short intro about Your Bangla Trims and Accessories and Your Bangla Leather House Limited. For more information, visit our website and visit our office. Thank you.